Good morning. Today we are going to have a science display. We are going to show you different experiments. And I know it will be like very funny for you to like, what kind of experiment am I going to do with the chicken on my hand, right? What we are going to show you about the chicken is, now as you can see it is alive, I'm going to show you some part of the chicken and what it's called. Then some students here are going to go out and prepare the chicken and bring it. When I mean prepare, I don't mean fry it. They're going to go and slaughter it. They're going to remove the feathers and then they bring it here. They are going to show you the alimentary canal. What's meant by alimentary canal, they will explain to you, and then they will tell you what happens at various stages of the alimentary canal when the chicken eats, how it digests. They are going to explain everything to you. Do you understand? So they are going to show you part of this chicken that you don't know, and then they will tell you its name and its function in the body of the chicken. Is it clear? Then later on, someone will also tell you how similar some of those parts are in mammals or we human beings and how it works. Is it clear? In the same process, after that, you also witness some scientific display here. For example, let me ask you a question. Can you separate oil and water? When mixed, is it possible to separate it? When you mix oil and water, is it possible to separate it? I can hear mixtures of responses. I hear some people say yes, some people say no. But it will be done in front of you to see. If possible, it's going to be separated. And then the teacher, or sorry, the student who is going to do it will explain to you why whatever you are going to see happens. Is it clear? At the same time, some students are going to come here, they are going to prepare perfume. They are going to show you how perfume is being made. They will tell you the name of the reagents they are going to be using and how to put them together and what you will arrive at. And you will be a proof, you will already have a sense of it to tell us if truly it's a perfume. Is it clear? So, at this juncture, I will start by telling you that what I'm holding now is a head. Now, what is this part of the head called? This part. What? This is called what? It's called a beak, right? What is this part called? What is this part called? Okay. I asked a question earlier. I said, what is this part of the head? What do you call this place? Huh? Comb. Comb. It's called a crown. It's called what? Crown. Good. Now, what is this part of the? What is it called? This part. Where its droppings come out. Where it's called? What's it called? It's called a cloaca. It's called what? Cloaca. 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 Pronounce it. Cloaca. So, at this juncture, we're going to go and prepare this, and when we come back, we're going to dissect it in front of you and show you the alimentary canal of the head. Is it clear? And its function. Thank you very much.
Good morning. We are going to start with the first part of science display, which is how to make the book. Each class, grade 7A, 7B, 8, 10, and 11. Grade 9 are not the participants due to some reasons. But grade 7A, 7B, grade 10, grade 11 will all have two participants. One of the participants will be conducting while the other one is helping, or both of them. It depends on how they wish to do it. But each class is having two participants. Each class is having two participants. And Miss Sarah will be the judge. After making the review, she will be the one to take the smell. And maybe one member from each class will help her in conducting it. So while conducting the experiment or making the review, please, you are expected to make 50 ml, 50 ml, or just make 100 ml. You can see that it is being measured. You have to make 100. It is here. So make sure the perfume you are going to make is up to 100. Make sure it is up to 100. We are going to measure it. When you finish making it, you are going to measure. Based on the measurement you have made, it is going to be calculated there. After all, then we will know who are the people that make exact amount of the food we need, and those that have made the one with high progress. Thank you. So each participant from the classes will come and stand in their class. According to their class, you see that this is grade 11, grade 7B, grade 8, grade 10, and this is grade 7A. So you start according to your classes. When, when you are done with the making of the food, each class will tell us what have you used making your food. These are the instruments here. All these three are distilled water. The three, they are distilled water. This is alcohol. Yes, it is alcohol called methanol. Yes, alcohol, we have different types of alcohol. We have methanol, we have ethanol, we have propanol, up to decanol. They are of different categories. So we use the one with low rate, which is methanol. We are going to use methanol. After making the perfume, if you want to know how methanol is, you will see that it is just like a spray. It is very cold. When you touch it, it is very cold. But you have to wash your hand as much as you can after using it. Then this is essential oil, which is lemon. We have different types of essential oil. But we are going to use lemon, and this is glycerin. This is glycerin. They will all tell us what they have used and what is used of it. And we are going to use this to measure the amount of perfume you have made. Thank you. Grade 7A, participant, sample, grade 10, grade 10, grade 10, grade 8, grade 8, grade 8, grade 7B, yeah. Grade 7B, then grade 11. Grade 7B, why grade 7B? Grade 11. 11, grade 11, yeah.
Where's your lab coat? No lab coat?
Tomorrow you are going to have chance.
Grade 11. Where is it? Okay, you're here, right? Okay. 2 hand glove. You're not supposed to put one. No, you have to put two. Take one more.
When it is exactly 9:35, you are starting. When it is exactly 9:35, you are starting. And you are 9:35, you are starting.
I'm not
At
working. I'm not working the baby. Oh.
9:42. How many minutes? 7 minutes. You are stopping.
Hey.
It's the same thing.
You sent it. And it's changing color. Some are being pink. Science student of Aluda. Honestly. If you talk, your class will be penalized. Just keep quiet. Let them perform their practicals.
So as you can see here, we are done with the perfume. Firstly, we added distilled water. And then secondly, we added alcohol. And then we added glycerin with white with an essential oil. And then after this, we added what is the last notes. That is what it makes the scent a little bit nice.
Tell us your name and your class before you start.
My name is Amina. Yes, I'm from grade 7. Now we are making perfume. We make the perfume. We start to add essential oil. It's like we add it. We now add distilled water. We shake it. We add alcohol. We shake it and we add notes for the perfume so the scents very nice. We mix it. Then we add our glycerin.
I think that on the moment from grade 8, we start to add the alcohol, then we add the essential oils, then we add the distilled water, then we add the nuts, then we add the glycerin.
My name is Zeki Darius from grade 10. First, we add essential oil, and then we add glycerin, then we mix it, then we add ethanol, then we distill water, we shake it, then we add our fruits.
Put your hands together.
My name is Aisha Muhammad Adams. I'm from grade 7A. Then you can see that we make paper. We prepare the coconut, we put distilled water and alcohol, then glycerin, then essential oil, lemon, and then milk. Thank you.
You can now go back and join your colleagues. We are going to measure and see. Is it
All right. Put your hands together for them.
What is the reading? 80 points, right? It's not up to 90. It's not up to 90.
It's 91.
91?
Yes.
Oh, put it on the table. Put it on desk. Put it on desk. Desk. Keep it flat on the desk. Yes. No, it's 90. 90 at the point, right?
This is point 90, so it's above 90.
It's above 90?
Yes, 91.
91.
Yes.
Alright, that's one class.
Grade 11.
What we have to measure?
Grade 11.
Okay, grade 11?
100.
100. Put your hands together for grade 11 because 91. Very good. But what they expected to measure is 100. Okay, but they got 90% of it. But let's see the next class.
Now, what class is this?
7B. Let's take the measurement of 7B and see the outcome. Put it on the desk. Mr. Alex, come closer. Check.
One. It's 100.
It's 100, right? 100 and 1. Put your hands together for them. Awesome. Thank you so much. That's grade what? Grade 7B. Put your hands together for them again. Thank you so much, grade 7B. Let's proceed to grade 8 and take the measurements. What is the measurement? Please put it on the next. Let's take it.
It's 180.
180. Over. Disqualified. Disqualified. Grade what? Grade 8. Grade 8 disqualified. They measure it over. SS. Let's move to the next class. And the next class is what? Grade what? So, grade 10. Let's take a measurement of grade 10.
Knowledge.
I think 90.
Put it on the desk.
This is 2 4 6 is 96.
96.
96.
Put your hands together for grade 10. They got 96 points. Put your hands together. 96 out of 100. Now let's advance to grade 7A. Let's see. I think that one is over too. They put it on the next. Let's see.
It's 128.
128 for grade 7A, right? Grade 7A, disqualified. Disqualified. And let's hear from the judges. Judge, who is the winner of the first round? Let's take the winner. You call the name of the participant. Silence, silence. The judges are taking their observation. Please, silence. Silence. That one is disqualified. It's above the measurement. That was first, right? What about the second one? Second. What about the second? Hold your peace, silence. If you talk, the points will be deducted from your class. Silence. Silence. Let's be snappy about it, please. First, let's move to the next stage. Winner is who? Who is the winner? You've sum it up. Come closer. Come closer.
Good day, students. All right, so from the total mark, both the measurements and the set, we have grade 11 with a total of 80 marks for their measurements.
Put your hands together for them.
Then 3 marks for their sets. So that makes it 83. Their total mark is 83. Can you clap for them? 1, 2, 3. Then we also have grade 7B. They got 90 for the total of their measurements because they measured up 100 ml. Then for their set, they got 1 mark. So we have a total of 91 points. Can you clap for yourself? And then we have the grade 10. They got a total of 85 marks for their measurements. Then a total of 10 marks for their perfume set. So for that, they have a total of 95 marks and 95 points. So can you clap for them? So that makes grade 11 the third position, grade 7B the second position, and then grade 10 the first position.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for grade 12. Now let's move to the next round. Yeah, we're done with the first round. The winner is grade 10. Second position is grade 7, right? And the third position is what? Grade 11. Now listen everybody. Listen everybody. The next practical or the next exhibition is going to be on separation techniques. Before they start, I'll ask you all to sit down and remain quiet. And let's see what they have for us. You all should sit down now. And make sure you don't talk.
My name is Said Tijani Yusuf and I'm from grade 10. Now we are going to separate oil and water using the separating funnel. Here with me is my colleague who is going to separate for you. As you can see, these two liquids have not yet mixed because the water is denser than the oil, so the oil goes up and the water remains down. Now we are going to separate it inside this funnel, dropping the water and leaving the oil inside. As you can see now, here we have our oil with no water inside, and here we have our water in the beaker. See, we have clearly separated the oil from the water. This is a method called separation using separating funnel. Hello, my name is Britain. I'm Saiti Jamisu from Britain. Nice to meet you again. Now, we are going to separate an insoluble solid from a liquid. Here we have sand and here we have water, H2O. We are going to mix the sand with the water and then separate it using filtration. Now we are going to mix our sand with our water. As you can see, the sand is not mixing with the water completely because it is insoluble. You can see the particles of the sand inside. So now we are going to use a filtration paper. We fold it how it's supposed to be folded, put it inside a filtration funnel, and then pour our water inside where it will separate the sand and the water. can see now, we have followed our preparation paper. Now it will fit inside our funnel. Now we'll put it and then pour our water inside where it is and the sand. Now it will take some time before it finish. So you have to give it some time, like 6 minutes, 5 minutes. After I finish, you find here it will be residue, and here you have your filtrate. Your clear water will pour here, and your sand will remain inside the filtration paper. Then Descent from the sand. This time like yes. Yes.
Please raise the water up. Raise the water up. Let me see.
So it
Okay.
has become crystal clear. No particles of sand inside. And now you see our sand particles here, the recipe. While this is the filtrate. See our sand remain inside the filter paper while the water pass through, and here it is with no sand particles. Crystal clear. Unlike this one, you can find sand inside.
Put your hands together for him. Thank you so much. Let's proceed to the next program, which is called the elementary canal, right? Canal. Very good. Put your hands together for yourself.
Good day, everyone. My name is Master Muhammad. As you can see here, we are trying to explain how the alimentary canal of a bird works. So, firstly, we come to the chicken. When it eats the food, it goes into the mouth, which there are some salivary glands that make it enter into the esophagus. So as from here, we have two things. We have the esophagus and the trachea. The trachea is used for air, while the esophagus is used for taking food particles. As from there, it goes to the crop, which is a temporary storage. The food can stay in the crop of up to 12 hours, and no digestion takes place in the crop because it doesn't have any digestive enzyme. Thank you.
Good day to you all. Just as my colleague here explained that this is the alimentary canal of a bird in the chicken, I'll continue from where he stopped. In the crop stores the food temporarily for like 12 hours or more, and no digestion takes place in the crop because it doesn't have digestive enzymes. From the crop, when the food is ready to move to the proventriculus, it moves through a pipe and enters the proventriculus, which is located here. The proventriculus then releases hydrochloric acid and pepsin. Hydrochloric acid reduces the pH scale of the food substances, while pepsin starts digestion of protein. In the proventriculus, the food then moves to the gizzard, which is this large thing you see here. The gizzard is structured in a way that it crushes the food. It just works like the teeth of human beings. While crushing the food, it also uses the stones to crush some hard substances that can't be crushed with the gizzard. And the gizzard is also structured in a way that it can resist the damage of the hydrochloric acid and the pepsin. From the gizzard, it then enters the small intestine. The small intestine is a large organ and is divided into three parts: the duodenum, ileum, and jejunum. In the duodenum, the pancreatic juice and the bile from the bile duct. Here is the bile located close to the liver, this greenish thing. It then enters to the duodenum and starts the emulsification of fats, while the pancreatic juice releases three enzymes: amylase, lipase, trypsin, that also helps in the digestion of protein, carbohydrates, and fat and oil. From there, the food moves to the ileum, where absorption of the nutrients takes place. Inside this ileum, there are some hair-like, uh, hair-like, hair-like organs that help absorb the nutrients, all the, all the substances and all the nutrients, all the final product of the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is turned to glucose, protein is turned to amino acid, and fats and oil is turned to fatty acid. Here's where the absorption takes place. All the other food substances that are not absorbed here move to the large intestine, which is right here. In the large intestine, water is being absorbed from the food, and other substances is also being absorbed. Since the large intestine is far away from the digestive system, the water only water is being absorbed from here, and then here all the substances that are not absorbed by the body system then moves to the cloaca. The cloaca is the last part of the alimentary canal, and all the excesses, the waste products, are stored in the cloaca for some time before it is then being excreted out of the body. This is the end, and with this we have come to the end of explaining how the alimentary canal of the body works. Thank you all.
Put your hands together for them. Thank you so much, Moaz, Yunus, and Aisha. Thank you. Put your hands together for them. We have come to the end of our program today. See you next week for the Arabic display.